Okay, so guys, we're gonna start our new topic today, which is Python for beginners. So let's discuss about it. What is Python? Basically, Python is an interpreted language, high-level programming language, with dynamic cinematics. Python is simple and easy to learn. Basically, Python is replaced by C++ and somewhere as JavaScript. C++ is a bit of the difficult language, and Python is easy as compared to C++. It supports modules, packages, with encourages program modularity and code reuse. So guys, move towards our next slide, which is what is Python basically? Why Python? Sorry, why Python? So Python is used to support language for the software developers and for build control and management testing in many other ways. So Python is basically used for managing the websites like PHP, but the PHP is server-side language and Python is not the server-side language. It is a software-side language and easy than PHP. So there are many other ways to test the Python. It can be run by localhost and other things. It has having many types, which is machine learning, Django, and robotics. So there are many types of Python also. So let's discuss about the history of Python. So Python is a programming language, and it arrived in late 1980s, and implementation was started in the December of 1989, and as a successor to capable of and interfacing with the Van Rossum and is Python's principal author. So basically, the father of Python, the person who created Python is Van Rossum. So point to be noted, and his continuing central role and deciding the direction of Python is reflected in the title given him, Python Community. So the people who use Python in their lives and who are basically connected to Python, they are counted in Python community. So guys, now let's discuss about some of the topics of Python. So we are having introduction. What can you do with Python? First, program, variables, receiving, input, type conversation, strings, arithmetic operators, operator precedence, comparison operators, logical operators, and we are having more topics, which are if statements, like we discussed in PHP, if statements, exercise, while loops, lists, list methods, for loops, range function, and last tuples. So in this course, we'll discuss all about these courses. So this course is basically designed for a beginner who wants to learn the Python in free from our e-learning. So you can contact us on this information. Thank you so much.